Alright, so it looks like we have something in the net there. We're just moving around. It's quite tough.
Oh, it's decent size too. Pretty big. Let's hope it's a male.
Alright, so we actually got a big one here.
Let's lift it
No,
up.
you pull him out.
Oh, two.
Oh wow.
Oh, it's two. Oh, it's a decent sized one as well.
It's a male.
His size.
Hey, don't tip him out, oi.
Wait, don't tip it out. Don't tip it out.
Male. It's a male. The big one's a male.
So that means you can eat
Sweet.
Yeah, we can eat it.
So we got an edible sized male and a smaller one.
Is that a male as well?
Don't tip it. Don't tip
Don't
it.
tip it up.
Roll.
Look at his claws.
Bloody hell.
So look at the size of those nippers. They're definitely finger rippers. Those ones.
Definitely.
They'd
Should we bring it
I've
up?
watched a couple of videos on YouTube where people have just got their whole finger clasping one, and what they do is you like start tapping the thing and you start holding the claw, and then eventually, like in the last episode, their arm will actually fully pop off.
It's not easy catching crabs. We have lunch.
Oh my god. Alright, so this guy's been in the freezer for about an hour and a half sort of thing, and he's reached chuck in. We've got some boiling water here. He's reached chuck in. Is going to be a good feed. So yeah, you can. Yeah.
That does not look pretty.
Alright, so we're going to boil him for about 15 minutes. And then he should be good to eat. And you can instantly, as soon as we chuck him in, you can instantly see his shells start to go orange. Now when that is fully oranged, and if you're doing it on the fire, it gets a bit charred, that's when you want to pull it off. And that's like the perfect, that's on point.